Cat's alive! See the arm growing out the car there? What is that? What is that in there? That's Buick the Man Bob. Trying to help you out. I want to get you back home to Robin in one piece. I think I don't have it on there thick enough, and I think it needs to sit on there a little while longer. Okay, so we got that paint remover on there. Coming off here, it should come off. I'm gonna let that sit for a little while. That should come right off of there. It's coming off pretty good. What you talking about? Oh, you gotta. So yeah, once you put that paint remover on there, let it sit. The garage is about 70 degrees. I don't want it in the jams too much. And my putty knife is a bender one. I like to get the kind that's not all stiff and they flexible. So when I'm hitting stuff like this, and a lot of times, if you're clumsy and you don't pay attention, you should really wear safety glasses. Even with putting this stuff on, it'll splash back on you. All right, so what we got here today. Hey Bob, can you give me that straight edge that I got up there? It's right in here somewhere. Don't look so confused. All right, so what we got here today is that when Bob hoisted this car up, he put the straps on here and he bent the whole, oh maybe not, maybe this was from the Texas guy. Anyway, hey, I ain't had a good butt kicking in a long time, man. I need one. So what we got, you probably can't see it from where you're at, but you can see this baby is, if it come a knocking, then it's a rocking. So. Maybe no shrinking is needed here. Maybe. popping out there. Still, it's a little bowl right in there still. So this might have to be hammered in if I can get to that back side. Back there. Okay, what we did here is we're measuring from the top of that quarter panel down where this lip is flat up to 8 inches. Then once you start going down, this body quarter, all right, Bob, take that away for a minute. This body corner gets to detouring out right up to 8 inches. It's flat from here up to here, but after 8 inches, it this, comes out until, all of a sudden you see this lip get bigger. It's just the way the body panel was. So this side wasn't hit as bad. We got a dent here that I got to pull out, but this is all original. So we bring that around to this side. And what I did was measure from the top down 8 inches and had Bob put a mark there. So then at that point, can you take this straight edge, Bob, and put it across there? At this point, if you look down, we got this gap in here. So we're gonna pull this body panel out until we get this flat all the way across here. And then down in here where the lip starts, we'll come back just a little ways, and you see the gap get bigger. So all of this is gonna have to be worked out to get this panel to flatten out. So yeah, I think, so you see there, that's quite a bit that's got to be poured out there to get that to flatten out towards that back side. We'll see what we can do. Down here at the bottom, this was all dented up here. We pulled this out the best we can. I could tell this is either a little high, but this corner is going to be the hardest corner because we really can't pull this out no more. So I'm hoping everything falls in line down here, and maybe this is supposed to contour, so maybe this needs to actually go in more in this area. So we're just gonna work this down. We're gonna work this down this panel and use the other side to figure out how this panel supposed to be here. Don't have it too wide open, you'll burn it out. I mean, listen to the tone of this thing when I'm doing it. You know, listen to the sound of your... I got it barely pressed in. Not like that. You know, if you go all the way in, you got to move faster, and especially on the edge. You want to, you know, you want to... So we mudding up the worst body panel that was on this car. And just want to put a slim coat there. Got those holes in there.